Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the 4th chapter from your English literature book, and the name of the lesson is Becoming Great, page 46. Children, we all want to become great in our lives, isn't it? We all have our heroes whom we like, admire, and want to become like when we grow older. Well, it's always possible. For all great people were children before they grew up and achieved greatness. So, you too can become great one day. But you need to remember one thing. Greatness does not come easily. It requires a lot of hard work, patience, and firm determination. Now, let's study the lesson and find out how Mary Kom became a great boxer. In the northeast of India, in the beautiful state of Manipur, one of the 7 sister states, a poor couple lived in a village called Kanghatai. They worked as manual laborers in the field. Manual laborers are those people who do physical work with their body. On 1st March 1983, they had their first child. They named her Mangte Changni Jung Mary Kom. From a young age, Mary helped her parents by working with them and looking after her siblings when she wasn't at school. Sibling means brothers and sisters. At school, Mary enjoyed playing sports and was especially good at athletics. Athletics means sports. She was strong and supple and fast. Supple means flexible. Mary went to the town of Moirang to continue her education but struggled with the final exams. Mary knew how important education is, so she went on to complete her exams through the National Open School, now the National Institute of Open Schooling. So children, we see that Mary Kom, she was born of a poor parent on 1st March 1983 in the village of Kanghatai, which is in Manipur, and Manipur is one of the 7 sister states. And her full name was Mangte Changni Jung Mary Kom. When she was very small, then she used to help her parents in their work, and she even looked after her brothers and sisters when she was at home. She was very much interested in sports, but not in studies. But she understood the value of education, so she went to Moirang to continue her education from the National Open School. Do you know, children, what kind of school is this? Yes, it is a school in which you don't have to attend classes regularly. You are provided with the study material and then you can appear for the exams. In 1998, Mary kept up with the news of the Asian Games. She watched as Dinko Singh, who was also from Manipur, worked his way up to winning gold in boxing. Mary was inspired by Dinko's strength, skill, and speed. She wanted to be a boxer. Mary's parents and other people she knew did not understand why Mary was so interested in boxing. They thought that it was highly unusual for a woman to want to become a boxer. Some people tried to discourage her, but Mary was determined. She went to the boxing academy in Imphal and started training. She was relentless. Relentless means never stopping, endless. Often putting in extra hours of training at night. Her determination and practice soon saw results. Mary Kom, as we know that she loved sports, so she was always updated with the news of Asian Games. And she watched Dinko Singh, who was also from Manipur, and he had won a gold in boxing. She was very much inspired by Dinko's strength and the way he used to box. And she also wanted to become like him. But Mary's parents and the other people who saw Mary's interest in boxing, they could not understand how come a woman have such interest. It was something very uncommon those days. Some people even tried to discourage her. But when you have firm determination like Mary, then you don't give up. She also did the same thing. She went to the boxing academy in Imphal and started training over there. Since she loved, she had passion, she gave extra hours even at night to practice that boxing. In 2001, she came second in the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship. In 2002, she entered again and came first. Mary Kom is often called Magnificent Mary because of her accomplishments. Accomplishment means achievements. She has been the World Amateur Boxing Champion 5 times. In 2012, Summer Olympics in London, women's boxing was allowed for the first time. Mary fought tirelessly and won the chance to represent India. At the Olympics, Mary stayed focused through round after rounds and match after match until she won bronze medal for India. This secured her a place in sports history. In the 2014 Asian Games, Mary became even more of a sensation when she won the gold medal in South Korea. In recognition of her achievements, in 2013, Mary was awarded the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian honor in India. She was previously awarded the Padma Shri in 2010 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's most prestigious sports award. So we see that Mary's firm determination and her relentless effort brought her many awards. In 2001, she came second in the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship. Later, in the same championship in 2002, she came first. She even participated in the Summer Olympics, which was held in London in the year 2012. That was the first time when women were allowed to box, and she won bronze medal for India. In 2014, she also participated in the Asian Games and won gold medal in South Korea. In 2010, she was awarded with Padma Shri, and in 2013, she was awarded Padma Bhushan, which is the third highest civilian honor in India. She even got the India's most prestigious sports award, that is the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. And that is why, for all these achievements, she is often called Magnificent Mary. Magnificent means great Mary. Mary got married in 2005 and she and her husband have 3 sons. They live in Imphal. As well as training arduously, Mary campaigns for various causes. Arduously means exerting too much. She promotes animal rights, She encourages people to volunteer and work to improve their communities. Mary is passionate about promoting health and fitness. She teaches disadvantaged children how to box, thereby passing on the skills of determination, speed, agility, power, endurance, and mental toughness. Agility means the ability to think and understand quickly, and endurance means the ability to tackle difficult situations. So, Mary got married in the year 2005 and they have 3 sons. She stays in Imphal and she practices her training. She does a lot of social work also. She promotes animal rights. She encourages people to improve their communities. She is very fond of promoting health and fitness. She even teaches the disadvantaged children. Disadvantaged means those who don't have much privilege, how to box, and thereby she is passing all her talents like determination, speed, agility, power, endurance, and mental toughness to those children. You can learn more by watching the film about her life or reading her autobiography, Unbreakable. Today, Mary is a hero to many school children like you. But you must never forget that you too can become great one day if you do everything to the best of your ability and take the chances that are offered to you in life. So children, if you want to know more about her life, then you can watch the movie or you can read her autobiography named Unbreakable. Today, she is the hero of many school children. You can also become great children if only you give your best, try your best, and don't miss any opportunities that come your way. So that's all for today. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you and have a great day.